Hey there, aviation enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of aviation to explore some of the best aircraft across various categories. From commercial airliners to fighter jets, we've got it all covered. So, buckle up as we take a closer look at these impressive flying machines. Kicking things off with the giants of the sky, we have the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Renowned for its fuel efficiency and passenger comfort, the Dreamliner has changed the game of long-haul travel. But it's not alone. The Airbus A350 is also a strong contender in this category, offering impressive fuel efficiency and a comfortable flying experience. If luxury and speed are your preferences, then business jets are where it's at. The Gulfstream G650 boasts an incredible range and a luxurious interior that's a flying paradise. On the other hand, the Bombardier Global 7500 offers both impressive range and a spacious cabin, making it a top choice for business travelers. Stepping into the world of military aviation, we can't ignore the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, a versatile multi-role stealth fighter adopted by several countries. For carrier-based operations, the Boeing A350 Super Hornet shines with its adaptability and combat capabilities. When it comes to transporting goods around the world, cargo aircraft play a crucial role. The Boeing 747-8F is a powerhouse, known for its massive cargo capacity and impressive range. Meanwhile, the Airbus A330-200F strikes a balance between cargo capacity and efficiency, making it a favorite among cargo operators. Taking flight vertically, helicopters are essential for various missions. The Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk stands out for its versatility, serving both military and civilian needs. And don't overlook the Airbus H145, a twin-engine workhorse that's widely used for diverse tasks. Regional travel is made possible by aircraft like the ATR-72, a popular choice for short-haul flights. On the other hand, the Embraer E-Jet series impresses with its efficiency and passenger comfort, making it a go-to option for regional airlines. For the aviation hobbyists and aspiring pilots, general aviation is where the magic begins. The Cessna 172 remains a classic choice for training and personal flying adventures, while the Piper PA-28 Cherokee continues to win hearts with its versatility and reliability. And finally, let's talk about breaking the sound barrier. The iconic Concorde, though retired, remains a symbol of supersonic travel. But wait, there's more on the horizon. The Boom Supersonic Overture, currently in development, promises to bring back the thrill of supersonic flight. That wraps up our journey through the skies, highlighting some of the best aircraft in different categories. Remember, the best aircraft varies depending on your needs and preferences. Which one would you love to fly in? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things aviation. Fly safe and see you in the next video.